In this video, we are going to focus on solving simple equations by collecting terms.
Okay, let's take the first one. 5x minus 17 is equal to 2x plus 10. Okay, now we are going to collect terms. For those ones that looks alike, we'll keep them one side of the equation. And now we are collecting all the variables, and the variables, they will come over this side. Now x is coming here because this is the part we have the higher value of x, and 17 is going that side. So now 5x is already here. Now this time around, why 2x is coming over this side, the sign here will change. If you watch very well, nothing is here, meaning that here is plus, here is positive. Anytime you see a number without any sign beside it this way, the number is positive, or sometimes you can see it like this. So this time around, 2x is positive here. So why 2x is crossing this equality sign here, the sign will change to negative. Okay, so coming here, it will become minus 2x is equal to, we have 10 already here. Now 17 is coming over here. As 17 is coming over here, it will become plus 17. Anytime any number or a variable is crossing, equality sign, each sign will change to the inverse. Okay, so now 5x minus 2x is 3x equal to 10 plus 17 is 27. Now we are having something disturbing x, and it is 3. So we'll remove it by dividing both sides by 3. So we're going to divide here 3, we'll divide here 3. So this is this, so that x is equal to 9. Okay, let's take the second one. 2 in bracket 6y minus 5, close the bracket, minus 4 into bracket 2y minus 7 is equal to 6. Okay, now the first thing we will do is to open the bracket. Now, how do we open the bracket? We open the bracket by using the number beside the bracket and multiply through all the terms in the bracket. So we're going to use 2 and multiply by 6y, and also use 2 and multiply by minus 5 here. The same thing is applicable here. We will use minus 4 and multiply 2y, and also minus 4 and multiply 7. So now let's go. 2 times 6y will give us 12y minus 2 times 5 is 10. Now we are taking minus 4 times 2y will give us minus 8y. Minus 4 times minus 7 will give us plus. This minus times minus is plus, so we're going to have plus 28 here. This is equal to 6. Okay, remember we are collecting terms. We are using collecting terms method to solve this equation. That means all the variable terms will be on one side, then all the constant terms will be on one side. Now let's gather all the variables. So we have 12y minus 8y is equal to, we have 6 is already here, then minus 10 is crossing this equality sign, it will become plus 10, and also plus 28 is crossing, it will become minus 28. So now we now have 12y minus 8y will give us 4y is equal to, now we have 6 plus 10 will give us 16, then minus 28. Okay, so we have 4y is equal to this. Now, 16 minus 28, the answer is going to be in negative form because we are taking bigger number away from small number. Now, how you can just do this and just like saying 28 minus 6, but the answer will be in negative form. So if you remove 6 here, it will be 2. If you remove 1 here, it will be 1. So 16 minus 28 will give you minus 12. Now, in this place, we are having 4 disturbing y. So we'll divide both sides by 4. Okay, so 4 here is only y is equal to 4 here is minus 3. Okay. Now, let's look at this one. 3 in bracket 4x plus 5 close bracket is equal to minus 3. Okay, you can go ahead and try this and see if you can get the value of x. Just pause the video and see if you can solve it and get it. Okay, let's solve it together. First of all, let's try to open the bracket. So 3 times 4x will give us 12x plus 3 times 5 will give us 15 equal to minus 3. Now, we have only 12x here, so x is already here. Now we'll remove this 15 and push it down to this side. Now, minus 3 is already here. As 15 plus 15 is crossing over here, it will become minus 15. So we now have 12x is equal to minus 3 minus 15 will become minus 18. Now, we are having something here disturbing x, which is 12. So that means we'll divide both sides by 12. So divide here 12. 12 will go here, become x, which is equal to. Now 6 can go here to become 3, and 6 can go here to become 2. Okay, so that we now have minus 3 all over 2. And this is improper, which is not really okay. So we turn it to become minus 1 whole number 1 all over 2. Okay.
Can you now try this and send your answers in the comment section? If you have learned something from today's class, please give it a thumb up and share it to your friends so that they can also benefit from what you have learned today. And also, try as much as possible to subscribe so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you.